The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Missile attacks launched at the forward echelon and reserve forces of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine deployed near Shipovate, Shevchenkovo and Petrovka region, Kharkov region, at Kupiansk direction have resulted in the elimination of up to 100 servicemen and 13 units of military equipment. Operations near Petrotravnevaya and Orlyanskaya, Kharkov region have resulted in causing casualties of 15 servicemen killed and up to 40 wounded. 7 armored combat vehicles and 5 pickups with large-caliber machine guns from the 14th Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine have been destroyed. Massive fire attack has been launched at the manpower and equipment of the 93rd Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Druzhelubovka, Kharkov region and Rikadub, Donetsk People's Republic. The attack have resulted in the elimination of over 90 Ukrainian servicemen and 7 armored combat vehicles. Moreover, artillery fire attack has resulted in the elimination of the 2 Ukrainian sabotage groups formed by a total of 21 militants near Yampolovka and Torskaya. Fire attack launched at the positions of the 54th Mechanized, 18th Airborne Assault and 10th Mountain Assault Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Belogorovka, Spornaya and Yakovlivka has resulted in the elimination of up to 70 militants, 1 tank, 3 armored combat vehicles and 6 pickups with large-caliber machine guns at Lysychansk direction. Missile attack launched at the units from the 102nd Territorial Defense Brigade near Ravnopolye, Zaporozhye region has resulted in the elimination of up to 30 militants and 7 motor vehicles. Units of Russian forces maintain their positions at Nikolayev-Krivoy Rog direction, repelling superior enemy forces attacks. Operations near Novaya Kamenka, Kherson region have resulted in the elimination of up to 13 nationalists, 2 tanks and 4 infantry combat vehicles of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Massive fire attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces as the units from the 35th Marine Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Davidov Brod and 128th Mountain Assault Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Dutchany, Kherson region has resulted in the elimination of over 120 servicemen, 2 tanks and 8 armored combat vehicles. The enemy has lost a total of over 230 personnel, 4 tanks, 18 armored combat vehicles, 2 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzers, 2 mortars and 20 motor vehicles at Nikolayev-Krivoy Rog direction. In total, 313 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,151 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,376 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 861 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 3,449 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,277 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. Kiev regime continued launching attacks at Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. Over the past 24 hours, the Armed Forces of Ukraine artillery has launched over 43 projectiles at the northern suburb of Energodar and the territory adjacent to the nuclear power plant. The attacks were launched from the Armed Forces of Ukraine-controlled Marganets-Dnipropetrovsk region. Enemy firepower has been neutralized by Russian artillery's counterattack. The radiation environment at the nuclear power plant remains known.